Hello everyone, this is R.A.D another day, and today we have another episode of R.A.D installs. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the foot pegs, these rubber foot pegs, and replace them with these. Right, so these are much better foot pegs. First, they're aluminum and they're wider. Okay, so you have the two footboards there and a couple of bolts. Let's see what these look like. They're very well packaged, well protected. Alright, this is the first footboard and they look pretty good. Alright, pardon me there, that's my alarm clock. Alright, so we're going to install these. This offers, of course, a much better space for your feet, and of course much better comfort as well, especially for long rides, and also added protection, you know, just in case you tip your bike over. These will offer a little bit more protection than these existing foot pegs. So for this install, we will need 4mm Allen key or Allen wrench and a 10mm regular wrench. Okay, and the screw for the foot peg, as you can see, you can't see any bolt or screw on the rubber foot peg or on the rubber top of the foot peg, because the actual bolt or screw is underneath it. It's below here. Right, and you'll need the 10mm wrench to get that out. I actually loosened this earlier, so all I need to do is take it off. Okay, after a few turns, you can unscrew it by hand. This also comes with a washer, so make sure you keep that and don't lose it. And after that, this just comes off, just like that. So again, since this is something that you might possibly need in the future, just make sure that you keep the bolt in case you want to reinstall the foot peg. Alright, the bracket here you don't need to use, and this will just put on top of it, will rest on the metal frame here, like that. That's how easy it is.
A few moments later.
There. And we'll test it out later. See if we need to adjust the height of the shifter, or if it feels comfortable with the same position. Alright, now time to install the other side.
More moments later. That looks secure. Alright, and that's it. That's pretty easy. All it needed was just to loosen a couple of bolts, and the footboard slides right in, and that's pretty much it. And that's what it looks like installed. Looks pretty good, except I would have preferred if the bolts were black and not chrome like they usually are. Alright, so thank you again for watching. This is R.A.D another day. You guys have a good day. Bye.